How's it looking, man?
Hey, pretty good.
Oh my, that's good.
It's a little bit wet in the back.
You took this off yesterday, right?
This morning.
It's been drying in the sun all day. Did any more of these seams open up when you took it off?
No.
Okay. Wow. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves. We walked into the middle of this reupholstery job here, and it actually started a couple days ago. That's sweet. Yeah. This time we're taking on something a little bit more ambitious. Last time you saw, we just went down to Joann Fabric, bought the cheap fabric, stretched it out. Works great. Works good for an XP. This seat is way more complex. Look at the detail on this. Look at there's a total of 10 panels on this thing. Yeah, I love packages. This one's from HydroTurf in California. This is the same company that provided us the traction mats on the other project. This one, they gave us a real nice discount in exchange for sharing the process with you. So, you know, as you're evaluating it, consider that, but I'll try to give you a good, honest review. Here, dude, I am not using a box knife on this. Yeah. I'll just make a little nick. All right, look at that. Well, see what happens. They look good.
Exactly. Sophie, come on. Come on.
Strap. Please read through instructions before starting. We recommend that somebody experienced with upholstery install this cover. Who would that be? Using 1/4-inch long stainless steel staples and an air-powered staple gun. Galvanized staples can be used as a second choice, but may rust. Okay. Necessary to remove original seat cover for this model before installation. Check. Removing seat cover, please take care not to damage foam around hump areas as it is glued to the seat cover. Not so check. Be sure to insert all plastic tabs through the foam. Okay, got it. If your seat is wet or waterlogged, be sure to let it sit outside on end until completely dry. I think we're there right now. We're letting it dry, right?
Yeah.
If a chunk of foam is torn out, you can use contact cement to glue a new piece in place. If possible, the new material should be warmed in the sun to increase flexibility and ease of installation. Blow dryer can be used. Sharp corners should be rounded with a file. Align the kit to the seats and put one anchor staple at the back of each contour alignment point, corners and curves. Once the kit is correctly aligned and anchored, continue to tighten the staple kit securely to the underside of the seat. Cut away excessive bunching. Extra staples can flatten out bunching. Finally, trim away any excess material. We can do that. I think that's not that hard. Stickers too. Before we get started, I want to take this down and see how it compares to the old one. Weldwood contact cement, the original permanent bond on contact. Shake well before use. Did you shake it?
Yeah.
I don't need to do this, do I? Use only in well-ventilated area. Check. Applicator to spread cement on both clean, dry surfaces. Let dry until glossy, 15 minutes, but not more than 2 hours. Carefully align surfaces as adhesive will bond permanently on contact. Let it rip. I've used stainless steel before. Jim happens to be a shipbuilding expert, like a professional shipbuilder, like Navy ships. And he says this stuff is the bomb. It's called Manel. It's copper nickel, right? Yeah. Here's a box of 1,000 staples, probably in the $20 range for a box. So they're a little bit more expensive than the stainless steel and a lot more expensive than the galvanized ones. Now, what are we using today? This is your I don't even know what this is. Sure Bonder. I'd like to tell you where I got this, but I don't know. Officially given up on the other stapler. It is not going to fit in that space. Here's plan B. This is a pneumatic stapler. Should be a little bit more powerful, but most importantly, we're counting on this little tip here being a little bit smaller. Maybe we can get it in that space. This one also takes T50 staples, just like the other one, so we can use the staples we already have. Well, there you go. Nice. Hey Daniel, this is Steve Vigus. So I'm using a T50 staple. That's okay, right? The experts are working on it. David, the staple expert. So he uses less than 50 psi.
He uses about like 48, 49, what it's set at. He doesn't even go higher than that, honestly.
Thanks for your help.
Okay, you're very welcome.
All right, bye. Look, we're not upholstery experts. If there is an upholstery expert out there, tell me if I'm right or wrong. This is what I think we learned. If you want the staple to go in properly, you've got to be perfectly straight in terms of left and right. If you don't go left and right, the ends will curl and one end will shoot off in like a crazy direction. On this axis, if you lean too far this way, the staple won't go in all the way. If you lean too far this way, it will actually, the thing that pushes the staple in, the little actuator arm, it'll cut a hole in the vinyl. We were punching holes in the vinyl. It seems like every time we did this, it would punch a hole in the vinyl. So somehow or another, you've got to get, if you will, this surface here parallel to whatever surface you're stapling into. So, you know, not too much of that, not too much of that, not too much of that, not too much of that. Like, that's easy to do when you're upside down. This section here is very troublesome. There's a little flat ledge and it has a lip on it. That little groove is too small to fit this little safety in, okay? I just feel like we can't staple this if we don't take this off.
Yeah.
This thing comes with a strap for the back passenger to hang on to. Same length, already cut. Perfect. Here's the metal end that SeaDoo gave us, and this is the finished end that we got from HydroTurf. probably got a good 6 hours invested in this project. This is for the first one. I'm hoping the second one goes much quicker. Yes, it was a big job, but honestly, we're not that smart. I don't think it was that unmanageable. I'd say like on a 1 to 10 difficulty, this is probably like a, I don't know, maybe a 7.
Yeah.
Just because of all the challenges of getting the staples at the right angle. But you know what? It's pretty manageable. If you've got some pretty basic mechanical skills, I wouldn't be intimidated by it. And the end product, honestly, I'm really happy with it. I'm looking forward to seeing this thing on the water. Air stapler is a must. Buy your rivets in advance. I don't know where to find those rivets other than from the dealership. Get the good staples. Stainless steel or Manel is going to serve you in the long run. If you want to find out more about HydroTurf or find out where we bought this thing, check out hydroturf.com. They've got designs for just about any kind of ski you can think of. If you have some ideas for the next project, leave a comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.